Not only may they purchase on the spot, but if they don't, now they're in the view content retargeting funnel that you already have set up. So that's the point of these sort of low-key retargeting audiences. Underrated retargeting audiences. There's a bunch of custom audiences when it comes to retargeting that people don't use, that's highly underrated. I'm going to be going ahead and giving you guys everything that works that no one utilizes. And if you guys watch to the end, I give you a bonus tip on one of my strongest retargeting strategies that no one literally uses. Everyone talks about add to cart retargeting, initiate checkout retargeting, view content retargeting. We're going to go over none of that stuff on today's video. Before we get to today's video, let's announce the last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Underrated retargeting audiences. So we know the common retargeting that everyone talks about, which is view content retargeting, add to cart retargeting, and initiate checkout retargeting. But that's not what we're going to go over today because everyone already knows that. The first underrated retargeting audience is video views retargeting. So what you should actually do that most people don't is retarget people who watched 95% of your video in the past 7 days and exclude people who view content. So if someone invested 95% of their time and watched 95% of your video, but they didn't click through, there's someone that's warm and someone worth retargeting. So I highly recommend this. And then again, if someone watched 75% of your video in the past 7 days, exclude people who clicked through, exclude people who watched 95%, these are also pretty warm traffic because they've invested that much time. They've watched over 3/4 of your video, but they just didn't click through, maybe because they're busy on the train, they wasn't in a mood to purchase, maybe they were at work and they couldn't click on the buy now link or learn more link or shop now link, and as a result they were interested but it wasn't the right time. And now you're going to retarget them again and again and again because eventually you're going to get them at the right time where they're willing to go ahead and click through. When they click through and go to your website, then they'll automatically go into your view content retargeting. And the exclusion I use is to prevent overlapping because this allows you to properly differentiate all the different sort of tiers of retargeting. You'll be able to scale highly profitable retargeting ad sets with more certainty because now everything is broken up. And the second retargeting custom audience that no one talks about is Instagram and Facebook engagement retargeting. What you should do is retarget people who engage on Instagram placement of your ad in the past 7 days and exclude people who view content, and do the same thing with Facebook. What these two retargeting custom audiences are is basically you're hitting them again with more ads and you're just getting them to click through. Your goal with these ads are to get them to become and join the view content custom audience, so when they go ahead and click through, not only may they purchase on the spot, but if they don't, now they're in the view content retargeting funnel that you already have set up. So that's the point of these sort of low-key retargeting audiences. You're excluding people who didn't click through because you want this sort of warm traffic to then click through, and you're building your view content audience so when they go into the view content retargeting funnel, they'll be able to convert there. Whereas previously, all you relied on was people who click through. What if someone was already highly interested, but they were just in a time or place where they didn't or were unable to click through? And that's the point of these low-key, underrated retargeting audiences. And then another thing you want to do is last try retargeting. This is something a lot of people don't do. They sort of just give up. If the person goes through the funnel, they don't purchase, most marketers give up. But what you should do is you want to do last try retargeting, retarget people who view content in the past 30 days, excluding people who view content in the past 7 days, and you can give a special discount to these people. You know, it's been 7 to 30 days since they've seen any one of your ads, and this is going to be the last ad they see. You can give them a special discount, and since this is the last chance you have, you might as well be very aggressive with it. On top of this, I forgot to mention, but you want to exclude all purchases. With all these different retargeting audiences, make sure you exclude purchases, or else, you know, they'll get mad. Because what if a purchaser already bought the product and now they see a retargeting ad where you go ahead and offer another 20% off coupon? They'll get mad that they didn't get this coupon before they purchased, and they'll go ahead and sort of email you with a screenshot. So you don't want that. Exclude all purchases. Now, what do you show these people when you retarget them? One, you can create 5+ retargeting ads. basically the more the better. People will eventually purchase after they see many different angles of your product. So you want to show them as many different angles as possible. Use different pictures, different ad copies, different videos, testimonial ads, offer discounts. With some of my really strong winning products, I literally have over 10 plus retargeting ads, and I just hit people again and again and again and again with different variations, and I want my frequency to be as high as possible. I want them to see each one of my ads at least once and basically get retargeted 5 times with 5 different photos, and the more the better. And then you want to offer discounts. This especially works well when it comes to retargeting add to cart and initiate checkout people. Now, bonus tip. This is something I don't hear anyone talk about, but this is so powerful. You want to retarget your purchasers. Not with a coupon ad, but you want to retarget everyone that's purchased from your store with a nice thank you ad copy and offer a discount coupon that they can go ahead and apply with their second order. This does surprisingly well and has high ROAS. Now, I've even done this where I just sort of retarget people with a thank you ad, how I appreciate their order, and we're going to go ahead and work very hard to ship it out as soon as possible. I don't have any links to my store. I don't have any discount coupons. I don't ask anything. It's just a thank you ad retargeting my purchasers. And surprisingly, somehow people go out of their way to open a new tab, go to my store and go ahead and purchase after seeing that ad. Providing value and saying thank you to your purchasers is a retargeting tactic that I don't see many people use, but it's highly, highly valuable. But yeah, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of information that I've seen no one reveal when it comes to the e-commerce and dropshipping space within YouTube. Like, everyone either doesn't know these strategies because they're not really an expert when it comes to e-commerce, or they're just not willing to share. And that's sort of my goal with this channel. So I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. Question of the day: what is your retargeting strategy? Drop in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I know a lot of people are watching this video and they aren't subscribing. They're just sort of passively watching my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join the community that we have. Share all your thoughts, help answer everyone's questions in the comments below. I want to create the best community within the comment section. That's one of my goals with this channel. Other than that, if you guys want these slides completely for free, then the description below, be sure to get it because there's a lot of value on these slides, as you can see. So be sure to get these slides because they're completely for free, and who doesn't want to have a copy of this on their computer to reference when needed. Last but not least, thank you so much for putting your time into watching this video. Hope you are having an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.